Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to Bags and Designs by Canvas. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute lovely tote bag. So please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the notification button to get updates whenever I post a video. And also guys, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube membership for exclusive content. Thank you so much, I love you all. So for this tote bag I'm going to be using 12 inches for the height. For the height of the bag I'm going to be using 12 inches, and for the bottom height I'm going to be using 4. So for the width I'll be using 15 inches for the width and 12 for the height. So for the bottom panel I'm going to be using 4 inches for the bottom panel, and the other panel will be 12 inches as well. So if you want to make your tote bag, you only have the front, the bottom and the back panels. The front panel, the bottom panel and the back panel. Now the next step is for me to mark out 2 inches. So I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other side of my bottom. To the other side I'm going to repeat it by marking out 2 inches. So the next step is for me to take my scissors and cut out the 2 inches which I have marked. I'm going to cut it out. So for the fabric used, I used a synthetic leather. This is a synthetic leather that has double face. It has leather and velvet. The back side is the velvet and the front side is the leather. So I'm going to cut out 2 inches from both sides of my leather. Now I'm done with the whole cutting and I have interfaced the leather. So I use taffeta. For those people that don't know taffeta, I used Decovil light to interface the it's an equivalent, so you can use Decovil light to interface your exterior. So I use taffeta to interface the exterior of my bag. So now I have cut out the handle. I left a 0.5 from all round, only at the top that I didn't take out 0.5, but I took out 0.5 from both sides of the bag. So this is the handle of the bag, and if you want to know about this handle you can go through my videos. You see where I made a tote bag, and I made a tote bag using this handle, so you can watch how to make it. Yeah, you can go and watch how to make it. So this is the taffeta interfacing I used to interface the exterior. So I'm going to use the same thing to interface the handle of the bag. Like I said, the equivalent for this interfacing is called Decovi Light. Use Decovi Light to interface your tote bag. So the next step now is for me to, to, how do I put it? So I'm just going to apply glue to the interfacing, and I'm going to place it directly at the wrong side of my leather. The wrong side of the leather is the velvet part, so I'm going to place it on the wrong side of my velvets. Sorry, on the wrong side of my leather. Yeah, of my on the wrong side of my exterior. Okay, so I'm almost through with this part, and the next step is for me to cut it out. Once you've glued your handle to the exterior part, you have to cut it out and trim it. You have to use a very sharp scissors to do this job, to make it neat and beautiful. So the next step I'm going to be doing now is to stitch. So I'm using my Mercedes-Benz machine. I like this machine a lot. It's a very, very good machine. So I'm going to use it to stitch. You can see where I marked, which means that I'm not going to be stitching that part. I'm not going to be stitching the parts as on the handle parts. The placement part, I'm not going to be stitching that part. So I'm going to repeat the same stitch on the other side. I'm going to repeat it to the other handle of my bag. So if you have to stitch, you have to stitch using 1/8 seam allowance for your handle. For the handle of the bag, use 1/8. So for the height of the placement of the handle, you can use 3 inches. Then for the weight, I used 4 both side and also 4 at the center. For the spacing is 4 4 4, and for the height where you place your handle is 3 inches. 3 inches for the height. So for the exterior, I'm going to be applying glue and also to the lining, and I'm going to be placing it, I have to glue them together. So for the lining, I'm using velvet. So now I'm using leather roller to smoothen it and make it look beautiful. Guys, the next step is to stitch. I've stitched it. I think I lost the clip, so after you stitch, then you now bind it by using your lining. So I'm using my lining to bind it, and to tape it. Yeah, so after doing this, I'm going to stitch the bottom part. So for the measurement, I used 1/4. That's 0.25. So for the bottom too, I'm going to stitch by 0. The corners at the bottom, I'll stitch it by 0.25. Once you're done stitching, the next step is for you to tape. So I'm going to tape it, and you can see how beautiful and how neat it looks. Please, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to comment, give us a beautiful like and also a nice comment, guys. The next step is to glue the band. Should I call it binding? Should I call it band? Okay, I don't know. So I'm just going to tape it round. I'm going to tape it around the top of the bag, just like you're seeing it right now. And after this, I'm going to stitch using my cylinder bed machine. So I'm just going to stitch the top, the tip of the bag by using should I call it binding or should I call it a leather band? Yeah, let's say maybe a band. So I'm just going to stitch round by shift. I'm going to be stitching it very close to the tip of the leather. Yes, so please, if you have any questions, kindly drop your questions under the comment section. And thank you so much for liking my videos. Thank you so much for your comments, and thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube membership and also to my YouTube. Thank you so much. I really love you all. God bless you.